ഇത് ഭയങ്കര ഇൻഫോർമേറ്റീവ് ആണ്, നല്ല എൻഗേജിങ് സെക്ഷൻ ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു.
Protect myself from all the cyber crimes from all the sites we are using on Google or anything.
In this digital world, this session will help to improve our knowledge about cyber security.
ഹായ്, നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഇതുവരെ സൈബറിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാമിന് വരുന്നത്. സോ ഇത് ഫസ്റ്റ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ്.
And so it's very important to have a sessions like this, maybe a series of them.
The program was pretty well structured and informative.
So the program was absolutely spectacular.
The session was very interesting and fun.
Cyber Hygiene Workshop was an excellent platform for all of us.
This was a great experience.
It is so good to learn lots of thoughts.
Also, this session has made us clear what all doubts we have regarding the cyber crime and the cyber world.